comes my train. Going to Kissimmee. This will probably be the last time I'm riding this in a while. Leaving DeLand station.
La siguiente parada es DeLand Station. Al salir del tren, recuerde tocar con su cinturón y por favor tenga cuidado al bajar del tren.
Kissimmee, Florida. North down to New York City. We got southbound Floridian coming soon. I just took the SunRail from DeLand down to Kissimmee station here. Nice ride. Beautiful day. Couldn't ask for a better day. There you go. Floridian right there. Time to go. Railfan Rob over now from Kissimmee.
Welcome to SunRail.
Northbound from Kissimmee.
Please have your Sun card ready for inspection.
It was a good journey.
Bienvenido a SunRail. Por favor, tenga su Sun card lista para la inspección. There's some rail equipment over there. This is in Kissimmee, approaching the Tupperware station. Yes, I did say the Tupperware station. Here it is, Tupperware station. Please report any safety and security issues promptly to your SunRail conductor,
Looks like they're doing some rail work here.
or ambassador.
I wonder if they're installing a different or another siding or something here. I'm not really sure. Again, this is just a little north from Kissimmee. I think it still is considered Kissimmee here, though. There's a big crane right there. Wow. Cool. Yeah, putting something in. Not really sure what they're putting in, but. This is a CSX yard coming up here. It's by Sand Lake Road. I don't think there's any locomotives though at the moment. I saw one on the way down, but not so far, not on the way back. I do see a locomotive right there. Looks like two of them. Yep, there we go. Check it out. Seems like a lot of activity at this yard. There's a train moving back right there. This is the Sand Lake Road stop on the SunRail, northbound.
Welcome to SunRail. In event of an emergency, please exit through
Pine
the
Castle,
side
Florida
entrance
CSX.
doors.
Here we go.
If blocked, through the windows marked in also equipped with a first aid kit and a defibrillator.
That's it.
Should you need emergency assistance, please contact the onboard crew and La siguiente parada es Orlando Hill Station y Orlando Amtrak Station. Al salir del tren, recuerde tocar con su celular. Y por favor, tenga cuidado al bajar
CYXX. Check those locomotives out. How cool is that? That's Conrad Yelvington Industries, Pine Castle, Florida. It's quite the industrial area, it seems. Here's another yard here. You can tell this is Orlando. All the elevated roadways. I think a lot of these bridges are new, pretty sure. Whoa, man, is this thing rocking? Wow. Jeez. Feels like it's gonna fall off the tracks.
Please report any safety and security issues promptly to your SunRail director, security personnel, or ambassador. Por favor, informe cuestiones de seguridad de inmediato a su conductor.
Here's the Amtrak auto train station right here. This will be in Sanford. Alright, it's the end of the trip. We're arriving back in DeLand station. That's a cement company over there that makes cement drain pipes and sewer pipes. Alright, here we go. This will be the station right here. Well, that's not the station. Rather, that's the in-between bar. But here's the station coming up. DeLand Amtrak Station. And this is Railfan Rob. Over and out. All right, there goes possibly my last SunRail ride.